there, Reggie over here at Awesome Chevy Buick in Chehalis. Today we're going to be showing you a how-to video on how to use the wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay on your 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500. All right, so first things first, you're going to hit either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. You're going to go connect your phone, and then from your phone, you're going to open your Bluetooth settings. And then as soon as it pops up on your phone, you're going to select My Chevrolet. Then once it pairs, you're going to hit the pair button on both your device and your truck. Go ahead and continue. You're going to want it to allow access to everything. Just go ahead and click through the prompts. And then from here, you can actually mirror the GPS. And there we are. And so once you're connected to your wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you can essentially access all the compatible apps directly from the My Infotainment Center on your phone. You can stream your music, like I said, use your Google Maps, make phone calls, look at your text messages, everything directly from the touchscreen in your truck. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, especially if you have any other additional questions about your new Chevy Silverado 1500.